Hello everybody, I'll show you how easy it is to use Google Messages from a web browser on your PC. Let's get started. From your browser, I'm using Google Chrome. Go to messages.google.com. Open Google Messages from your phone. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the app. Tap on Messages for Web. Tap on the blue QR code scanner button. Aim the camera at the QR code on your computer screen. Tap Yes when it asks if you want to remember this computer. However, don't do this if you're on a shared or public device. Now that your phone is linked to Google Messages on your computer's browser, you can send and respond to text messages without digging your phone out of your pocket or purse or wherever you left it.